Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Alan Burgos from the hashtag Walk with Lan channel. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do it so now so that you can be a part of this growing family. We are now officially 8,461 subscribers. Thank you so much guys. God bless you all. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. I love you all. Okay, yung pag-usapan po natin today ay yung kay Senator Raffy Tulfo, ang ating senador. Ito minsan nagugustuhan ko din po ang kanyang mga ginagawa dahil po suggestion siya, nag-suggest siya na i-abolish daw yung travel tax for economy passengers Ano bang kahalagahan nun? Talagang magfa-file ng bill ang ating butihing senador na talagang magkaroon ng investigasyon at saka magkaroon na tama na i-remove na yung travel tax imposed on Filipino passengers flying economy class. Mga kaibigan ko, pag ito po naalis ang travel tax, syempre po bababa po ang pamasahe ng economy passengers okay lang kunwari nasa business class ka o kaya sa VVIP class ka, pwede namang taksan yon kasi qualified ka naman na kayang-kaya mo naman yung mga ganyan. Pero kung economy passenger ka, tignan nyo po, kung economy passenger ka, ibig sabihin po nun, ay hindi mo kaya yung business class, O kaya naman, ay ordinary yung tao ka lang naman, Kaya sinasabi ni Tulfo, chairperson ng Senate Committee on Public Services, na yung bill na ipropose niya ay i-repeal yung Presidential Decree 1183. Guys, kung presidential decree ito, baka PD ito, baka panahon pa ni dating Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Yan, issued in 1977, tama nga. Talagang ito yung basis ng travel tax na nangyayari sa mga panahon ngayon. Ang ating butihing senador na si Raffy Tulfo ay niremind ng article, yung Article 3, Section 6 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution recognizes the Filipino people's right to travel. Karapatan po kasi natin ang mag-travel, kahit sang lugar, di ba? As long as may pera tayo, kung wala tayong pera, mahirap mag-travel. Tulfo lamented the imposition of the travel tax is a violation of their constitutional right to travel since they have to save funds just to be able to travel on a budget. Tama nga naman din yun. Pero syempre, bago ka mag-travel, dapat pinag-ipunan mo muna ito mga to. Sabi pa ni Tulfo, added that this right to travel shall not be impaired except in the interest of national security, public safety, or public health as may provided by law. So maganda po yung batas na ito. Talaga may basis pa, may legal basis at saka yung constitutional natin na karapatan na right to travel at saka syempre may yung PD 1977 yata yun, Okay, sige po, hanggang dito na lang po mga kaibigan ko. Medyo pagod po tayo ngayong araw na ito. Pero maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you guys. God bless you all.